In today's video, I'm going to show you Mabel and Daisy review. Is it legit or a scam store? Many customer reviews, especially on Trustpilot, are overwhelmingly negative. Complaints include items being of very poor quality, shipped garments that look nothing like the photos, and cheap bonded materials instead of the premium fabrics advertised. Customers also report that when they try to return items or request refunds, the company asks them to ship back to Asia at their own cost, sometimes a prohibitively expensive return journey. Some even say the store portrays itself as a local UK business, Bristol mother daughter boutique, but the items are clearly shipped from China. Security analysts and scamwatch blogs have flagged Mabel and Daisy as a likely fraudulent site. One such analysis details how the site uses low too good to be true pricing, cloned product images, vague or plagiarized legal pages, anonymized ownership, and aggressive social media ads to lure buyers in. The blog also notes that many orders never arrive, or arrive as cheap knockoffs rather than promised garments. Video reviewers also point out signs of a manufactured backstory, mother daughter boutique narrative, designed to create emotional trust, while real operations appear opaque. The visual storytelling is compelling, but the actual business practices trigger red flags: fake founders, exaggerated discounts, and failing legitimacy cues. My verdict: Mabel and Daisy appears to be a scam or deceptive online store. The weight of evidence, customer complaints, business pattern, red flags, third party analysis strongly suggests it's unsafe to trust with money or personal information. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.